Oh my goodness, where are we?
Yeah, so welcome to my home. This is my lab. This is where all the magic happens.
Oh my goodness.
Did you learn about all these beakers in culinary school?
Not at all. No. This is all self-taught.
Oh, wonderful.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so exciting. Can't
So
wait
good.
for dinner.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it is. Well, now we have our first course, and please welcome James.
Hello, everyone. So what we have here for our first course is a slow-poached chicken egg from my chickens over here in the Berkshires with a nice mushroom broth where Adam and Madeline helped me forage some plantains, which is a wild herb that grows in fields. So that's nicely infused into the broth, and then we have some wild dandelion greens in here as well, and some mushrooms that we actually grow at our shop in our basement.
So, James,
Yes.
what is here?
So furthest away in these cast iron cauldrons, we have a celery and a fennel salad. The celery I actually grew at my house. It's dressed in a lemon vinaigrette with some parsley and some baby microgreens. And we have our steelhead trout here that was rubbed in a really nice crust of wild juniper berries. It was cooked for maybe 3 hours or so over the fire. A couple hours ago, we harvested all these wild strawberry leaves. So we made a tea out of that. And then finally, we have our potatoes here, which we cooked twice. So we cooked them in a really, really salty water, as I mentioned earlier. And then you guys helped crush them. Thank you very much. Well, enjoy, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Come on.
Thank you so much.
Here, cheers. Come on.
Cheers.
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 James, yeah.
Oh, come on.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers to all of you.
Cheers.